Hi there, I am Rajesh from hrcabin.com. This video is about how to fill Form 15G for PF withdrawal. Form 15G is required when your total EPF amount is above 50,000 rupees, but the total service is less than 5 years. In that case only you have to submit Form 15G. If your PF amount is less than 50,000 rupees, you don't need to submit Form 15G. And at the same time, if your service is above 5 years, irrespective of the total EPF amount, you don't need to submit Form 15G. If your total service is above 5 years, the EPF amount will become tax-free. Let's see how to fill the Form 15G. I will give the download link of this Form 15G PDF format in below video description. Just click on that link and you can download this Form 15G PDF format. You have to take a printout of this Form 15G and fill it with a pen. And after filling this Form 15G, scan both pages of part 1 and part 2. And there is no need to fill the part 2, only you have to fill the part 1. But when you are uploading Form 15G, you have to upload both pages of this Form 15G. This part 2 will be filled by the EPFO officer. Let's see how to fill this Form 15G. In field number 1, write your full name as per your EPFO account. In field number 2, write your PAN number. In field number 3, write status as individual. In field number 4, write previous year. Previous year means financial year. If you are withdrawing your EPF amount before 31 March 2025, then the previous year will become 2024 to 2025. After that, the previous year will change. So remember this. In field number 5, write residential status as Indian. From field number 6 to field number 12, write your address details. You can write any address in which you are currently residing. You don't need to write the exact address as per your EPF account. You should not need to match exactly with your EPF account. In field number 13, write your email ID. In field number 14, write your mobile number. In field number 15, if you have filed your income tax returns, then you have to tick yes. And if you tick yes, then you have to mention the assessment year for which you have filed the income tax returns. If you didn't file any income tax returns for the previous financial year, then you can tick this no box. In field number 16, here you need to write the estimated income for which this declaration is made. That means it is the PF amount that you are withdrawing. You can check this amount in the PF passbook. And remember, you don't need to include pension amount here. You have to just mention the EPF amount. Form 15G is for only the EPF amount, not for the pension amount. In field number 17, here you can see estimated total income of the previous year, in which income mentioned in column 16 to be included. Here the column 16 is EPF amount, and to which you have to add the estimated total income. That means it is your estimated annual income in a financial year. For example, in 2024 to 2025, it is a financial year in which the estimated annual income of an employee is 1,50,000 rupees. For that 1,50,000 rupees, we have to add this EPF amount. Here it is 65,000 rupees. So whatever the EPF amount you have to add it with your estimated annual income. So the total amount here will become 2,15,000 rupees. If the total estimated income including EPF and your annual income is above 2,50,000 rupees, you are not eligible to submit Form 15G. The reason to submit Form 15G is you are telling the income tax department that my total income is less than the taxable limit, so don't deduct any TDS from my EPF amount. If your estimated total income is about 2,50,000 rupees, then you have to file your income tax returns, and we have to use all your allowances to bring the total estimated income below 2,50,000 rupees. So remember this. So the best way to withdraw EPF amount is whenever you become jobless. In that case, you don't have any annual income. So whatever the EPF amount you have, you can withdraw that amount without any TDS deductions. Or you can also withdraw EPF advance. For EPF advance, you don't need to submit Form 15G. In field number 18, if you have submitted any Form 15Gs for other investments such as fixed deposits or post office deposits, then you have to mention those details. Under total number of Form 15Gs, you have to mention how many Form 15Gs you have submitted. Whether it is 1 or 2, you have to write that number. And here you have to mention the aggregate amount of income. That means total amount for which you have submitted the Form 15G. In field number 19, under serial number, write 1. Under identification number, write your UN number. Under nature of the income, write EPF. Under section, write 192A. Under amount of income, write the EPF amount, the same amount you have written in the field number 16. Here you have to sign under signature of the declarant. Next, come to the declarant of verification part. Here write your full name. Next, come to here you can see for the previous year ending on. Right now the financial year 2024 to 2025 will end on 31 March 2025. So write it here. And the assessment year means the year followed by the previous year is called the assessment year. It is 2025 to 2026. The same details we have to write it again. Here again 31 March 2025 is the previous year ending on, and the assessment year is 2025 to 2026. If you are withdrawing your EPF amount before 31 March 2025, copy all these years like in this video. After 31 March 2025, these details will change. Then the previous year ending on will become 31 March 2026 and the assessment year will become 2026 to 2027. And in that case, you have to change the previous year as well. It will become 2025 to 2026 after 31 March 2025. And again you have to sign here, and here write the city name in which you are residing and mention the date on which you are withdrawing your EPF amount. And there is no need to fill the part 2. But you have to scan both the pages of this Form 15G and upload while submitting Form 19 in the UAN member portal. Still, if you have any doubts regarding Form 15G and EPF withdrawal, you can ask them in below comment section. I hope you like this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to HR Cabin. Thank you.